One of the important factors, or maybe the most important factor for germination, is soil temperature. So the best way to find out what soil temperature is a soil thermometer. Now I like testing my soil at the 4-inch depth level. And here this has been sitting there. And today we're right at 58 degrees. 58. Had it in at 4 inches. Having our soil thermometer in the ground at 4 inches helps me immensely, knowing when it will be the right time for me to plant my sweet corn, my beans, or whatever crop I want to do it. Different crops have different specifications. As an example, sweet corn does much better at 60 degrees than it does at 50 degrees. That's kind of common sense. But a potato, on the other hand, starts germinating at 45 degrees. So they all have a little different pace with it. Consult your book, consult Google, whatever it is your source is for your germination. But to improve your germination percentage, get that warm soil to where that corn just pops right out of the ground. You ever had a situation where you planted the seeds in the soil and you wonder, well, why haven't they come up? Why do I have 60% germination rate? It could be that your soil temperature is just a little too cold. So come out daily around 10 o'clock. Get this soil thermometer in the ground. Understand, throughout the day, soil temperatures are going to vary. So if you came out and checked it at 2 in the afternoon on a nice 75-degree day, it's a possibility your thermometer is going to show maybe a 68-degree temperature. But if you check it late or early, you'll also see the soil temperature is much lower. So make sure you go ahead and get a good idea by checking it throughout the day. I like 10 o'clock, cloudy day, perfect time to give ourselves that baseline, knowing where the soil temperature is. I like planting my sweet corn at 60 degrees. We're at 57 degrees right now, so I got a couple of degrees, but guess what? We're going to be 85 degrees here this week. So I think everything's going up and up. If you like this type of video, folks, hit that like and subscribe. Come grow with us.